Mulbury is more than just picture frames. We create custom recycled timber projects. We can design and handcraft awards and perpetual trophies. They're great for corporate events, schools and community groups. Engraved timber plaques, A-frame branding signage, blackboards, display pieces, one-off bills for businesses or residential, projects for branding, product launches, exhibitions and retail spaces. Every piece starts with reclaimed hardwood timber, natural grains, aged weathering, markings and imperfections of another life well served tell a real true story. We can design and build your project, practical, well made, with respect to the old growth forest, and it's built to last. We walk hand in hand with nature and don't try and dominate her as we make your ideas come to life.